84 species in genus Vitis. A Grapevine's Tale, exploring the genus Vitis. My name is Vu, and I've always been fascinated by the intricate world of plants. Among the countless genera that grace our planet, one stands out to me for its rich history, economic significance, and sheer diversity: Vitis, the genus of grapes. From the luscious table grapes we enjoy as snacks to the complex flavors infused in our favorite wines, Vitis has undeniably shaped human civilization. But there's much more to this genus than meets the eye. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of Vitis, exploring its diverse species and the unique characteristics that make it so special. The grapevine family. A closer look. Vitis, a member of the Vitaceae family, encompasses a vast array of vining plants primarily found in the northern hemisphere. These climbing or trailing woody vines are characterized by their tendrils, which allow them to cling to supporting structures, and their distinctive leaves, which vary in shape and size depending on the species. The defining feature of Vitis, of course, is its fruit, the grape. These berries, typically occurring in clusters, come in a spectrum of colors, from the deep purple of Cabernet Sauvignon grapes to the vibrant green of Thompson seedless. This diversity in fruit color, size, and flavor is a testament to the vast genetic variation within the genus. A world of grapes, species within Vitis. The genus Vitis is home to a remarkable number of species, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Beyond the berry, the importance of Vitis. While grapes are undeniably the star of the show, the importance of Vitis extends far beyond its delicious fruit. Grapevines play a crucial role in various ecosystems, providing food and shelter for a wide range of animals. Their leaves serve as a food source for insects, while their fruit attracts birds and mammals. Moreover, Vitis has significant economic importance. The global wine industry, fueled by Vitis vinifera, is a multi-billion-dollar market. Table grapes and raisins also contribute significantly to the agricultural sector. Beyond their culinary uses, grape extracts are used in cosmetics and pharmaceuticals, highlighting the versatility of this remarkable genus. The future of Vitis: conservation and cultivation. As with many plant species, Vitis faces challenges due to habitat loss, climate change, and disease outbreaks. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserve the genetic diversity of this genus and ensure its continued contribution to our planet. Researchers are actively working to understand the complex genetics of Vitis, aiming to develop disease-resistant and climate-resilient cultivars. This research is vital for the future of grape cultivation, ensuring that we can continue to enjoy the fruits of this remarkable genus for generations to come. A personal connection: my fascination with Vitis. My interest in Vitis stems from a deep appreciation for the intricate connections between plants and humans. The story of Vitis is intertwined with our own, shaping our history, culture, and economy. From the ancient Egyptians who cultivated grapes for wine to the modern-day scientists working to unlock the secrets of its genome, humans have long been captivated by this remarkable genus. As I continue to explore the world of Vitis, I'm constantly amazed by its diversity and resilience. Whether I'm savoring a glass of fine wine, enjoying a handful of fresh grapes, or simply admiring the intricate patterns of a grapevine's leaves, I'm reminded of the profound impact this genus has had on our world. In the grand tapestry of life, Vitis holds a special place, a testament to the beauty, diversity, and resilience of the natural world.